How to see liked reels on Instagram app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can see liked reels on the Instagram app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to see the liked reels on the Instagram app, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all make sure to open the Instagram application, and you will see this sort of interface where what you need to do is come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap the three lines option from the top right and then just go to your activity. And when you go to your activity, over here you'll find this option called likes. You want to make sure to just tap on the likes section. And when you go to the likes section right over here, along with the post and everything, you'll also be able to see all the reels that you've ever liked on Instagram. So as you can see, here's one of the reels that I liked. You can go ahead and like them as well. You'll be able to see other reels as well in this case, and more and more and more. And that's all it takes to just go ahead and see your liked reels on the Instagram app. Hope this video was very helpful, and of course if you have any questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.